Hey guys, I want to show you my latest plugin called Advanced Additive Scenes. Additive scenes are used to layer parts of one scene on top of another, and this plugin makes working with them that much easier. Let me show you a typical use of additive scenes. In Fling Theory, we're using additive scenes to load in the menu items. As you can see, the scene looks pretty normal. This is just a normal camera view. However, when I hit play, you're going to notice that the HUD items already load in. And when I hit the pause button, a pause menu also loads in. So we're loading in these things using additive scenes. This is a common technique that Unity supports natively. The issue is when I stop play mode, I can't actually see those items in the editor. I have to switch back and forth between the scenes. So if I were to load up the HUD scene, you can see here that I can see part of the HUD here, but I can't see any of the level in the background. So I kind of lose all of the context. I'm just going to fix this up to show you what it actually looks like. So if I play this, I'm just going to see this area. I'm not going to actually see a level. So a better workflow is to see the additive scenes in the context of the main scene. This is what the Advanced Additive Scene plugin does. I'm going to load up the example scene here where I've broken up everything using the Advanced Additive Scene plugin. So in this example, I've used the Additive Scene plugin to reference the HUD and the pause menu so I can see them as well as the main level. Here's my main level. Down here in the hierarchy window is the HUD and the pause menus. And you can see when I go to the game view, I can see them all on top of one another. I can change the HUD or the pause menu and save the data into their scene. So for example, I'm going to just disable this pause menu so I can see what the HUD looks like right now. And I'm going to arrange the icons just like they would be in the game. And now what I can do is I can actually fix up this spacing here. So 0.35, I think that's what I want to do. I want to go back here. I'm going to save this. And now, when I load up this scene, you're going to see it just like I did before, but this time the spacing of those buttons is actually fixed. Already you can see how useful a plugin like this is. However, that's only the beginning. If I zoom out on my level here, so what you can see now is that most of the levels in Fling Theory are composed of multiple puzzles. Here's like one room, and then a second room, and a third room, and finally the boss room. On a typical Unity project, only one person can work on a level like this at a time. Using Advanced Additive Scenes, however, we can break up each puzzle into its own scene and connect them using the Advanced Additive Scene plugin. So if I load up my level here, you're going to see that I have a bunch of different rooms, and all of that data is actually going to live in its own scene. So these scenes live over here. Breaking up a level like this and using additive scenes prevents merge conflicts from occurring since the data actually lives in these separate files over here in the project window. This is a very powerful technique that engines like Unreal 4 implement natively. In the next video, I will walk you through breaking up the Unity Angry Bots demo so that multiple people can work on it without causing merge conflicts. This video shows how indispensable the Advanced Additive Scene plugin is for collaborative Unity development.